Hi, my name is Leonie and I'm the founder and aromatherapist at Moonhaven. And today I want to talk to you about the nose method of blending essential oils. Now our noses are extremely sensitive and they are the best ways to tell whether we like a blend of essential oils or not. And when we're starting out in aromatherapy, I like everyone to start out with 3 essential oils to start off with. The sweet orange, the lavender, and a nice base note like patchouli. Now when we starting out with the nose method, try putting all 3 oils together. And when I'm smelling this in this nose method, the patchouli is very strong, the lavender is quite strong, and I don't smell much sweet orange. So what we do is we change the distance of the oils from our nose. So I want the orange to be a bit stronger, so let's put that up there and see how that smells. Put it a bit closer, see how that's a bit closer to my nose, and that's really good. And the lavender isn't dominating, but the patchouli is still dominating quite significantly. So let's take the patchouli down a little bit further down away from the nose, and let's see how that smells. And that's a nice combination. You can smell each of the oils sort of equally at this stage. This would be a lovely relaxing and uplifting blend with a little bit of the patchouli giving it that base to keep it some long-lasting abilities. So how would I put that down in a blend? Well, I would like to make sure there's more sweet orange, so I would make maybe say 4 drops of sweet orange, maybe 2 drops of lavender, and 1 drop of patchouli. Let's start off with that. Now, if you find this interesting, do have a look at our 3 oil blend worksheet video, and that will help you to go further with this blending method. And of course, check out moonhaven.com.au. We have lots of information there, plus all the essential oils you might want. I hope you find this helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.